Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. And in this video, we want to continue explaining recurring decimals. And in this particular question, we want to respond to question number 17, exercise 1 star in number 7. And here we want to multiply out two recurring decimals. And the question is, work out 0.73 and 3 is recurring times 0.05 and 0.5 are the digits recurring. And as you know, let's first of all deal with the first one, 0.73 recurring, and let's take our x to be 0.733 because 3 is recurring. And as you know, we keep multiplying by multiples of 10, and we go to 10x, which is 7.33, because the decimal point moved from this position to just this position. So we have 7.33, and because they are not identical after the decimal point, then we go to 100x, which gives us 73.33. And sure enough, we have 0.33 after the decimal point and 0.33 after the decimal point. So those two numbers are identical. So we are going to deal with this and that. And the next step is we find its difference. So we are having 100x, which is equivalent to 73.33 minus 10x, which is equivalent to 7.33, and 100 minus 10 is 90x is equals to 66, meaning 73 minus 7, which is 66. Remember, we are not having anything after the decimal point. We are simply having 0. So to find x is just 66 divided by 90. After we simplify, we get 11 out of 15. Let us now deal with the next one, which is 0.0505, and we have our x to be equals to 0.0505, and of course now 10x becomes 10x is 0.50505, and 100x, let's have 100x, which is 5.0505, and sure enough we have 0.505 identical to that. And we are now having 100x minus x, 100x minus x, and 100x is equivalent to 5. Now we can even leave out the digits after the decimal point because they are not going to give us anything. But for the sake of accuracy, let's have 5.0505, because it is true that 100x is not equals to 5. It's actually equals to 5.0505 moving forward. X, which is equivalent to 0.0505, subtracting this, we have 99x, which is equals to just 5. And x is 5 out of 99. We have those two numbers. But the question is, work out the product of the two. So we will have to take this number, multiply by that number, and we get our product. So here we go. 11 out of 15 times 5 out of 99. Let us simplify this, and we have by 5 1 by 5 3. So we are having 11 out of let's have 99 by 3, 297 out of 297. And there we are, 11 out of 297 is just 1 out of 27 after simplification, which is 1 out of 27. That would have been our answer, which is very, very accurate. But look at the question and write your answer as a recurring decimal. So 1 out of 27 as a recurring decimal, we just consult the calculator, which is giving us 0. So in other words, 0.73 recurring times 0.05 recurring is equals to 0.037. And what are recurring? As you can see, what digits are recurring? So 037, 037, 037. If you are to write it, all the digits here, we're going to have 0.037, 037, 037, so that we can clearly see what is recurring. So our final submission is 0.037. What recurs is 037, 037, 037. So our dot is upon 0 and upon 7, meaning that all the digits between the dots are actually recurring, and that is our final answer. But this answer, and I repeat again, it is not as accurate as if we are supposed to give this answer which in a very accurate manner, then we would have said 1 out of 27. Why is this not accurate? Because it's just recurring and we can round off, it can be rounded off, but this is accurate. But for the sake of the question, 0.037, which is recurring, is actually the answer. Thank you. Subscribe, share, and comment, and let us see how we can help each other.